Hey, it's Josh from ClerkChat. Today, I'll show you how our Microsoft Teams calling analytics integration can help optimize your communication strategies. Whether you're using Microsoft Calling Plan, Direct Routing, or Operator Connect, you can now have full visibility in your calling trends. There's no need to mess around with Power BI or set up complex API connections. With ClerkChat, you can connect your Microsoft tenant with just a click. Let's look at the Analytics tab. With ClerkChat, you can gain detailed insights into your Microsoft Teams call activity to identify trends, improve response times, and streamline operations. You can track total calls, compare outgoing versus incoming calls, and even see cumulative call durations. This gives you a clear picture of your team's overall activity. You can filter call data by date to focus on specific timeframes, by phone number to analyze performance on individual phone lines, call queues, or by team members to review specific activity. Here's where it gets really powerful. Performance insights. Compare call volume and duration period over period or year over year to spot trends or potential bottlenecks. For example, identify peak hours and high volume callers to allocate resources better. And of course, you also get detailed call stats. Dive into individual team member metrics, including the number of calls, average duration, and the total time spent on calls. With ClerkChat's Microsoft Teams calling analytics, you'll always know where to focus. Try it today and make smarter decisions with ClerkChat.